Alright, it is March 11th, 2007. Spring break. Here are the dogs. Taking them for a little walk. Just because I want to. Caesar, say hi to the camera. Miko! This is a very odd occasion where we have all three of the dogs that decide to walk together. Isn't it, Chip? Yeah. Yeah, Chippy. Apparently there's some dog over there that the dogs want to get to see. Miko, that's bad. Miko! I got that on tape. You don't pee at other people's houses. Uh-oh, here's trouble. Hey! Miko! Hey! 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 Hey, doggies, take it easy. Hey, come on. Chip, come on. Chip, come here. Chip, come here. So it's already mud season, as you can see. Can't take a step without sinking. Hey, Chip, you're not running off in the woods today? God, you guys are pissing everywhere. Come here. Come here, Caesar. And there it is up there, Killington Mountain. My home. What is this guy doing? Hey, boy, what are you doing? These guys are becoming really best friends, so it would seem. Hey, Caesar, get out of there. Caesar moves too quick. Caesar! I know that's how you get along in the animal world, but that's just not sanitary. Good boy. It would seem now that we've replaced Chip with this other dog. Chip's probably off in the woods chasing somebody down. This dog's having the time of his life. And here comes Chip. Chippy! Chip! Chip, come here! Hey, boy. Hey! Alright, come on, let's go. I think we're gonna sign off now. Hey, Chip. What are you looking at, Chippy? He almost blends right in with the snow. Chippy. Hey, Chip. What do you see, Chippy? Hey, Chippy, you wanna go for a... Chippy, you wanna go for a... Oh yeah, I got your attention now, don't I? Alright, doggies, come on, time to go in. Come on, time to go in. Come on.